Coolest DJ in the world.
Time been hard, but the next still getting it. Yeah, rich niggas. Rich motherfucker. When you wake up before you brush your teeth, you grab your strap, nigga. All the time you get down on your knees, you a crowd, nigga. God, what you heard, God blessing all the drought, nigga. God blessing all the drought, nigga. When you wake up before you brush your teeth, you grab your strap, nigga. All the time you get down. DJ Eskimo City, the coolest DJ on the motherfucking planet. Yeah, spit from Australia, I'm an alien.
Coolest DJ in the world.
I sip out the cup of this shit, it's so muddy, but I love it, baby. When I jump out the whip, when I hop out the whip, then I'm fresh in the latest. I do what I want, when I smoke till I'm faded. I drink till I pass out, I wake up and drink up again. I pour up again and again. I said I wasn't gon' fuck with that bitch, then I front her again. I scream out the gut in the sewer, the streets turn a boy to a man.
Forever gon' get this paper. I'm a young rich nigga, baby. I'm a young rich nigga, baby. Told my mama gon' be okay. Told my grandma gon' be okay. Told my team we gon' be straight. Told my team we gon' be straight. Gotta make it, gotta make it way. On forever, walking my jettle jet. To get you lose the intercept. Real niggas gon' last forever. Real niggas gon' last forever. Real niggas gon' last forever.
Real niggas, we run this world. We ain't falling down by no girls. This circle ain't got no squirrel. You'll get what you deserve. Ever. Had a nerve to ever. Go against the king. Shoot shit forever, ever. Hey, I talk that shit that make the streets cry. Talking blood running out his eyes. First me when I was 24. Dodged indictment when I was 25. I could've done a 25. We different tech break, this another level. These ain't Nikes, these some Margielas. And these Canary Yellows. Expensive cars, you think the dope broke if you ain't know better. Double R, this shit here come with umbrellas.
I'm a young rich nigga, baby. I'm a young rich nigga, baby. Told my mama's gon' be okay. Told my grandma's gon' be okay. Told my team we gon' be straight. Told my team we gon' be straight. Gotta make the way. On forever. Sauce walking my cheddar jet. To fit you lose the intercept. Real niggas gon' last forever. Real niggas gon' last forever.
Yeah. Told my mama she ain't gotta work. Call my grandma, I'm going to church. I was born in 81, my grandma 91. She said when I was only one, I can count to 100. She knew I was gonna get some money.
Grandma.
Shoot it out of joy.
Anything lost can be found again except for time wasted.
Datpiff.com premiere.
All my thoughts been roaming around. Where I come from, like a hole in the ground. Feeling me still holding it down. Every ball been stopping the middle love. I've been roaming around. Telling me to make a hit, but I really don't get why they walked on roaming around. Out my window, I see everything I dream about in my shine. Out my window, I see everything I dream about and wish I had. Just like Muhammad Ali, jab nasty, Muhammad Ali. Hold up, on the streets, stay in the streets. All I can do is be me. With Flow Rider, nothing in common. I'm not a B.O.B. Hold up, hands on. I'm a good guy that can transform. The time I ain't asked for, still sending mail through the hatch form. Different city within the city, more overcrowded than an ant form. Look, don't try this at home. Out my window, I see everything I dream about and wish I had. Out but pray, but just hope I don't choke what I'm smoking on. Potent ocean grown, no fool, not just rude. Two-time convicted felon, dumb shit. Yeah. This Luca Bradley while you're talking, bitch, you know I got them rings. I'm a shooter with a shooter. I ain't never pay for that. Shout out, Young Money wanna sign. Shout out, my rap check is too violent. Bring 1 to 100 gang, that's Draco and mine.